Modern American barbecue has deep roots in barbacoa, a tradition of smoke-cooking meat that Caribbean natives perfected long before colonists arrived. Today, the art of smoking whole hogs over a pit thrives in Virginia and North Carolina. Originally a rural delight, barbecue has exploded into urban centers, captivating food lovers with its tender, juicy allure. In eastern North Carolina, they slow-cook hogs over coals, bathing them in a spicy vinegar sauce while pulling the meat apart. This pulled pork is then nestled in soft white buns, topped with creamy coleslaw. Meanwhile, western North Carolina boasts Lexington-style barbecue, where pork shoulders are seasoned with a tangy mix of pepper, vinegar, and ketchup. Texas takes a different route, favoring beef brisket cooked to perfection in smoky pits. In Kentucky, mutton is the star, slowly simmered in Worcestershire sauce. Louisiana serves up pulled meat from suckling pigs, while South Carolina drizzles pulled pork with a zesty mustard and vinegar sauce. Kansas brings its own twist with barbecue pork on bread slathered in a rich tomato and molasses sauce. And in Memphis, the ribs are legendary, coated in a spicy dry rub that packs a flavorful punch. Barbecue isn't just a meal, it's a vibrant subculture, complete with fierce rivalries and competitions that celebrate this beloved culinary tradition.